So I nominated Julie for this award. Julie came to me in September last year, and I'd been working really hard to complete a qualification. She was absolutely fantastic. She's really inspirational, and I'm just really proud of what she's done and how she's progressed. She's now coming to the end of her qualification. She's had observations done, and she's fantastic in the workplace. She uses really good person-centered care. She works well as in a team, and she's just amazing. And just well done, Julie.
My name is Julie Dixon. I work at Westwood Home Care, and I'm a healthcare worker. Being a finalist at the Paragon Awards will mean a lot to me, because my son passed away a year ago, and when I was actually studying, he helped me. I used to ask him to help me a little bit, and then basically, I stopped for a while, and then I continued, and I think this will be it will be a big achievement for me, knowing that, I've actually accomplished it, and it'll just be a joy for me, and I'll feel like I'll be proud knowing that, I've gone so far, really.